This is a new 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, power door locks, power windows, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ed Carney Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 189 Route 10, East Hanover, New Jersey, 7963.